Welcome to This Mom Chef. Subscribe for easy to make and yummiest recipes. Also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram for latest updates. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make amazing 19B soup. Ingredients that we need are salt, half teaspoon, black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon, vinegar, 2 tablespoon, chili sauce, 3 tablespoons, soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, slices of hard-boiled egg white 1, chopped garlic 2 tablespoons, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, julienne cut carrot half cup, green onions or split onions half cup, shrimps deveined and cleaned 250 grams, mushrooms 200 grams, chicken 250 grams, 2 beaten egg whites, chicken broth 7 cups and corn flour 3 tablespoons mixed with some water. I forgot to film it. Heat oil and fry chopped garlic for 1 minute. It should not turn golden when you add chicken. When chicken begins to change its color from pink to white, add shrimp. Fry it a bit, let's say 2 minutes. Then add mushrooms. Again fry and then add salt, black pepper powder and vinegar. Mix them all and then add chicken broth. Let it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add julienne cut carrots and spring onions and hard-boiled egg white. Mix and again let it boil for 8 minutes. Then add beaten egg whites and corn flour. Mix with a spoon until it thickens in consistency. Pour soup in a serving bowl. Garnish with some julienne cut carrots, spring onions and sliced hard-boiled egg whites. Pour some chili sauce and soya sauce and our awesome 19B soup is ready. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment and share. You'll find complete written recipe in the description box. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.